Welcome, early explorers! We have 3 new activities for you this week. Our first one is a paper mache earth. So all you will need is paper, water, flour, and a birthday balloon to inflate. If you have toddlers, you might want to have 2 balloons so that they can feel free to rip off the paper off of one and you have another one to finish the project with them. It turns into a nice dry little ball that you can carry around with you. Our second project is pretend play in space. So you can build a fort, make your own space station at home, and add gear. As simple or as elaborate as you'd like. It could start with just a paper roll telescope. If space is new for your little ones, go outside and look at the sky and talk about what it would take to travel all the way up there, farther than we can see, and what you would take with you. Our last activity will take you outside again, and you can get inspired with some satellite imagery of Earth from above and then create your own landscape out of natural materials. So find some rocks, twigs, blades of leaves or seeds, anything you find outside, and create your own mountains and rivers and lakes, and then take a picture from above. So with your camera or phone, put yourself above and take a picture, and then look at your art, and you'll have pictures to remember it by. It can also be a scavenger hunt to look for shapes that have been hiding under the snow all winter. We hope you have fun with some of these, and we will see you next Friday with more amazing Earth exploring activities.